Namaskar everyone. Good morning to you all. Namaskar everyone. Good morning to you all. Respected Vice Principal Sir, Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Banga Nagarpati from Grade 6, standing here to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of our country, Nepal. Nepal is a small but a beautiful country. It lies in Asia. It is between two big countries, China and India. The area of Nepal is 1,47,516 square kilometer. The population of Nepal is 3 million. Nepal is a agricultural country. Most of the people are farmers. Nepal is a rich in water resources. Um, water resources. Uh, Nepal is rich in water resources. Nepal is known in the world because of the Mount Everest and Lord Gautam Buddha. At last, I want to say that Nepal is on the path of development. I hope it will be developed. I hope it will be developed within some year. We must do something for our country, and I am proud of my country. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. Respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's Miss Varvani Gautam from grade 9, standing in front of you all to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of value of time. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the ECA committee of Anupam Vidya Sadan for organizing this kind of program, which helps to build the confident level of the students. Now, without wasting our valuable time, I would like to start my topic. Value of time. So, first of all, what is time? Time is a finite measurement of a moment which one spent cannot be obtained back. As I said, time is something which cannot be obtained back, so we should learn how to manifest time. Manifesting time means to learn how to manage time according to your own routines and your works. People who always manifest their time are always successful and have a great future ahead of them. While others who don't know how to spend their time are still struggling and back and are not that successful as the one who know how to manifest time properly. Time, as I said, time cannot be returned back to us after we spend. Time is a measurement of moment which helps to build relationship within a few moments. And at last, I would like to say that time is really valuable for us. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you both the speakers for your speech. Alvin Skabrak, and check your line, please. Grade 7, will you check the line? Boys, inside. Make it straight. Off. It's not answer. Straight. Clavigrams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Inside. Down. So you perform it, okay? Stand. It's better than this. Attention. Stand. Attention. Okay, for some information, I would like to welcome our respected Vice Principal, sir.
Thank you very much, Vikas sir. Cover up. Sugam Magar, will you be active? Which side talking? Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it. Awesome. Be attentive. Attention. Stand it. Okay. So today there are some programs. Story writing competition, both junior level and senior level. It will be conducted in 4th period. So the participants, they will go inside the hall and they will write their story within a period. Then 6th period and 7th period we have separated for Teens dance program. So I have seen here the students from grade 4 to grade 10, not grade 10, up to 9, they are in lovely dress and they are going to show their performance on the occasion of Teens 2082. And after school, again there is program. There is program of our friends who are celebrating the Teens. They will dance, they will enjoy in Teens songs. And tomorrow is holiday on the occasion of Teens. So enjoy as well as manage time for study. And regular classes will resume from Wednesday. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Studies. So today we have a birthday boy. Let's welcome him on the stage. Amrit Kumar from grade 9. So let me welcome on the stage our beauty chairman sir, Dr. Vishnu Kumar Khatri, to be present over here and honor the birthday boy. Okay, so clap must continue. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja, Mangalam Pundari Kaksya, Mangala Yastano Hari. Shubhatav Janmadeva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. Jaya 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 Tav Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam. Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam. Shubhatav Janmadeva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. On the special occasion of his birthday, entire Anupam family wishes Amrit Kumar a happy, healthy and prosperous time ahead. And let him have the geniusness of Ved Vyasa and Lord Ganesh, and at the age like those of Asathirinjivis. Let's wish him in Western pattern as well. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Amrit. Happy birthday to you. So lovely time, lovely moment. Now is the time to hear the lovely speech from birthday boy, Amrit Kumar.
Now, sir, I am very warm good morning to you all. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal, teachers, professors, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Amit Kumar from grade 9, standing in front of you on the occasion, special occasion of on my birthday. Thank you for wishing me of this pleasant way. Once again, thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so if your birthday falls on a particular day, please involve us on time so that we can organize the programs. And you are students, what is your duty? Please be focused on practice, practice and practice. Amrit, you are called over here once. Please come. Attention. Come on up. Inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Stand at it. Please. Produce rhythmic sound. Arus Kodgi, I can see you be confused. Will you be at last? Arus Kodgi. Those who are not attentive, they have to go at last and learn from others. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. March time. Class 4 girls, move forward. Class 10 boys.